4 years ago, before I met Tracy, like I said, I was never drafted, never had a scholarship. I was a walk-on at the lowest level of professional hockey. I went to the gym and just lifted weights just like the average 9-to-5 worker. I didn't know anything about the complex and the enhanced training that was out there. When I did meet Tracy, I've had the opportunity to train and test me and basically put me in a situation where to tell me where I'm at with all these other athletes. When I did that, I knew that I had to do a lot more than what I was doing, and that's when I got on the program 3.5 years ago. And where it's brought me today, it's improved my game tremendously. I've turned a lot of heads at all levels of the game, with a lot of people that were real skeptical about my ability to play in the National Hockey League. Well, working with Tracy and following that program very carefully over the summers has definitely increased my ability to play in the National Hockey League. And now that I've had the chance to get on the program and do it successfully and believe in it, I've just recently signed with the Toronto Maple Leafs and I hope to play my first 96-97 season with the Toronto Maple Leafs. Like I said, you can't stress anymore about the trust you have to have in your personal trainer as far as getting on the program, following proper diets, following proper rest periods, using all the specialized equipment that my trainer has to offer. At the same time, you got to have the will, to do it. You can't just walk into the athlete training center and ask Tracy to train you and expect to become an athlete. You got to have the hunger and the want and the will at the same time. And if you can have that in an athlete, Tracy's the kind of guy that would just love to work with you and help you enhance your game.